Welcome back to Rider Zone, your go-to channel for the most exciting vehicles, campers, and touring machines from around the world. Today we're taking a deep and detailed look at something truly special, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper, a perfect blend of luxury, power, and long-distance comfort. If you love road trips, van life, or premium camper conversions, this one is going to blow your mind, so stay with us till the end. The 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is built for travelers who want more than just a place to sleep. This vehicle is designed to feel like a moving luxury suite. From the outside, the Savana keeps its bold and muscular American van presence, but with limo-style upgrades that immediately set it apart. The extended body gives it a commanding road stance, while upgraded alloy wheels, premium paint finishes, LED lighting, and optional chrome accents give it a high-end, executive look. Tinted privacy windows not only enhance the limo feel but also provide excellent insulation from heat and outside noise. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper offers powerful engine options designed for heavy touring and long-haul reliability. Depending on the configuration, you can expect a strong V8 gasoline engine or an efficient yet torque-rich diesel option, delivering smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. The transmission is tuned for comfort cruising, making highway driving effortless. Advanced suspension upgrades help absorb road imperfections, so whether you're driving on city roads or long highways, the ride stays stable and comfortable. Step inside, and this is where the Savana truly transforms into a luxury camper limo. The cabin is spacious, thoughtfully designed, and finished with premium materials throughout. Plush leather seating, often arranged in a lounge-style layout, gives passengers the ability to relax, stretch out, or even hold meetings while on the move. Ambient LED lighting creates a calm and modern atmosphere, especially at night, while sound-insulated panels keep the interior quiet and peaceful. The living area is designed for maximum comfort and practicality. You'll find a smartly integrated kitchenette featuring a compact refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and ample storage for food and utensils. This setup allows you to prepare meals on the road without relying on restaurants. The cabinetry is crafted with high-quality finishes, offering both durability and style. Sleeping arrangements in the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper are flexible and convenient. The seating can easily convert into a comfortable bed, perfect for overnight stays during long trips. Some configurations also include a dedicated sleeping area with a memory foam mattress, ensuring you wake up refreshed wherever you park. Blackout curtains and insulated walls help maintain privacy and temperature control, making it suitable for all seasons. One of the highlights of this limo camper is the onboard bathroom setup, available in select builds. This may include a compact toilet, fold-out sink, and even a shower system, depending on the customization level. Fresh water and wastewater tanks are neatly integrated, allowing for true off-grid travel without sacrificing basic comforts. Entertainment and technology are top tier in this camper. A large flat-screen TV, premium surround sound system, and multiple USB and power outlets keep everyone connected and entertained. Some models also feature satellite internet, navigation systems, and smart control panels that let you manage lighting, climate, and power usage with ease. Climate control is another strong point. The 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper comes with advanced air conditioning and heating systems designed to keep the interior comfortable in extreme weather. Solar panels and auxiliary batteries may also be included, providing sustainable power for extended off-grid adventures. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Savana includes modern driver assistance features such as rear-view cameras, blind spot monitoring, stability control, and advanced braking systems. These features make long drives safer and reduce fatigue, especially during extended touring. Overall, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is the ultimate choice for those who want luxury, independence, and performance in one package. It's ideal for road trip lovers, business travelers, van life enthusiasts, and families who want to explore in comfort without compromising on style. That's it for today's detailed walk around here on Rider Zone. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more luxury campers, trikes, and touring vehicles, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.